Welcome to the Aquasure Injector maintenance video. To begin, you'll need to gather a few tools and supplies. To follow along with the video, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a food-grade lubricant or silicone grease, a cleaning brush, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Shut off the main water supply valve. Locate the water supply valve to your home and turn it off, then open the nearest faucet and allow any water to drain, releasing the system water pressure. Close system bypass. Turn the two bypass knobs clockwise to place the system in bypass mode. Remove the injector cover. Unscrew the cover, alternating between each screw after 2 or 3 turns each. Remove the injector assembly. Pull the injector assembly out of the valve body. Remove and check the brine piston. Remove the brine piston and inspect for any damage or rust. Manually depress the spring and ensure it returns to its original position and is free of debris or damage. Clean the brine piston. Thoroughly scrub the piston using a soft bristled brush. Lubricate the brine piston O-ring. Apply a small amount of silicone grease to the O-ring to ensure a secure seal. Remove the injector and screen. Use pliers to extract them from the injector housing. Clean the injector and screen. Thoroughly scrub the pieces and housing with a soft bristled brush. Lubricate both injector O-rings. Make sure to apply your silicone grease to both of the injector's O-rings. Reassemble the brine assembly. Return the screen, injector, and brine piston to their original positions in the injector housing. Reinstall the injector assembly. Push the assembly upward and then towards the system until it's back in place. Lubricate the injector cover O-ring. Spread silicone grease around the entire O-ring. Reinstall the injector cover. Make sure to alternate between screws after 2 or 3 turns each until secured. Open system bypass. Turn the 2 bypass knobs counterclockwise to put the system back in service mode. Turn on water supply valve. Turn on the main water supply valve to your home. Our US-based dedicated customer support team would be happy to help you if you have any further questions.